Hey everybody, welcome to Digital Reformer. My name is Mubashir Salahuddin. So we're going to be talking on how to shop from AliExpress and AliBaba. And I'd advise you anytime you try to do this, you should use the app. You can always get it from your Play Store or your App Store, irrespective of the device you're using. So without wasting much of our time, one of the reasons why I prefer the app is it's much more faster whenever you want to use than going to the web page directly. And there are a couple of things that are fast. For example, you're trying to message a supplier, or you're trying to search via image. It's very very fast. You understand? So that is that. So let's search for a product, for example. Okay, before I forget, one more thing. Remember, whenever you download this app, you need to register. Although the registration process is very easy, so it's something you can do on your own. It will require either you registering via your Facebook. That's if you already signed your Facebook in on your phone. Just straight forward the process, or via email. They are all easy and fast. So without wasting much of the time, like I said, let's go straight into it. Let's search for a product, and let's see what we have. Okay, let's search for female bag. Okay, you see. So whenever you search for a product like this, one of the ways you can use to know the product that is okay is through how many pieces of the product have been sold. You understand? So look at this 120, this 275, 360, 54, 8, 28, 601, 2027, 9, 700, 500. Let's see, let's go down a little bit more. Okay, not to waste much of our time, let's take this one. Let's go with this one, 2000. So when I look at the rating here now is showing a 4.8 here, and it's still okay in the sense that not all the buyers would have time to give feedback after their purchase. So most of them would just buy, and after buying, they would just go. You understand? So that's being said. Then here is a look at the rating. Like I said, this is the number of those that have actually purchase, place an order of buying this bag. So one thing is, after checking this, you need to come and check the reviews of the people that have purchased in the past. The moment you're able to buy any product from any store, you're given an opportunity to place a review on your experience with them. You understand? And that can be found somewhere down here. Okay, these are the description of the bag. Okay, this is the review. The product already have a 502 reviews already. Remember, like I said, not all the buyers will be able to give their review on their personal experience. Look at this person said, nice bag, really cute. Unfortunately, I did not receive the little gift from the seller. Wow, it's love it. Couldn't be happier. Very study bag zip. So you understand what I'm saying? So you go through, and if you see a couple of a positive review, that is to show you that the seller is selling a good product, and seller is also a good person. Then you can go and buy. Don't let's add to cart. Let's just use this for example and just go straight. So once you click on buy now, then you see they have a couple of varieties. You can select the one you want, and if they have a couple of other sizes, you'll have seen them here. Then quantity here if you want. Then I'm currently in Nigeria. This bag doesn't have a free shipping. Some of them do have a free shipping, and the shipping rate for this one now, from for this one now, they're going to ship it for you rate of 28,000. Wow, that's way too expensive. So I advise not to buy this kind of product. But let's assume it's a free shipping now, you want to change it. You can always do that by clicking on this shipping side here. Look at the one they currently select for you that you're going to get it within 20 days. This 9 to 18 days. This is 8 to, and you can see their prices are very different. So that being said, let's just continue. We're not buying anyway. Then after that, you'll be taken to a place where you can add address. So you use your address and add your card detail and place the order. But I'm not interested in that, so I'm leaving. So the next thing now is to go to AliBaba and check the differences. So the AliBaba platform is a place for what is it called, sellers that sell in bulk, for those that buy to resell. You understand? Those that buy to resell. That's one of the what is it called, function of Alibaba. They sell in bulk. They don't sell in pieces like AliExpress. Although there are a couple of products there too that you can always sell. That you can always sell in. You can always buy in pieces. Sorry. So let's see. Most of the things I told you on AliExpress are also the same here. You should always check the review and check the number of a product that has been sold and a couple of other things. So you're searching for kit stuff here, so you can see. So one thing here again, you should make sure you check in before you buy from any store here is any seller here. Make sure the seller is verified by Alibaba themselves. That's this verified here. And this X said trade assurance. The trade assurance means whenever you receive your goods and you're not satisfied, you can easily return and get paid back by Alibaba. If you didn't see this trade assurance, this very S here, then that means you might not get paid back even if you're not satisfied with the product. You understand? Then one thing you need to look again at is this MOQ. MOQ simply means the minimum quantity the seller can actually sell. See this one, the person can actually sell one, while this can tell below two. So you need to take good note of things like this. So and it's as simple as that. You can always what is it called, place your order and put your shipping detail and card detail and pay, and just pay. And one more, you can always use an agent, but I won't advise that here. If you want to use an agent, make sure you message the what is it called, the supplier. Make sure you send them a message, chat them up. You understand? Chat them up, telling them that you are using an agent. Then you need them to send. While sending it to the address, they should make sure they write your name and phone number on the package before sending, and they should send you your tracking ID as well, so that you will be able to track your goods from your side, and the agent will be able to identify your product. If not, you're going to end up losing your money. And you can see here, 1 to 19 will be sold for this, 100 to this we sold at this rate, and this is how this seller wants to sell their product. So that is that about Alibaba and AliExpress. So thank you for watching. See you on the other side.